If you're over 60 and you've been feeling more tired, a little disconnected, or just not yourself lately, this might surprise you. A common household item, baking soda, could be the missing key to better circulation, more energy, and yes, even a more satisfying intimate life. And no, you don't have to spend hundreds of dollars or pop a blue pill. Just keep watching. As we age, especially after 60, many men and women begin to experience sluggish circulation. Your hands and feet might feel cold. Your stamina drops. And intimacy? It may not feel the same, but here's the thing. It's not about age. It's often about something much simpler. Your body's pH and blood flow. That's where baking soda comes in. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a natural alkaline compound. When taken properly, it can help neutralize excess acid in the blood, support healthy kidney function, improve oxygen delivery by enhancing circulation. And guess what? Better circulation, better everything. Energy, focus, and yes, intimacy. In fact, researchers at Harvard and the Cleveland Clinic have shown how maintaining blood pH and vascular flexibility supports vascular health, a key to both longevity and romantic connection. Here's the simple method that's turning heads among seniors and health coaches alike. Take 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking soda, mix it into 8 oz of filtered water. Add a few drops of fresh lemon juice. Optional, but helps balance pH. Drink it in the morning. On an empty stomach, 2 to 4 days a week, that's it. Within weeks, many people report feeling more alert, lighter, and yes, more engaged with their partner. And take John and Linda, a retired couple from Ohio. They'd been feeling distant, both physically and emotionally. But after learning about this simple routine from a friend, they gave it a shot. John said, "After 2 weeks, I had more energy. I started walking again. My confidence came back." Linda added, "We laugh more. We talk more. We're reconnecting in ways we hadn't in years. It wasn't magic. It was just circulation, working the way it's supposed to." Want to supercharge your results? Pair your baking soda routine with these circulation-friendly habits. Walk 20 minutes a day. You don't need a gym. Eat more beets, spinach, salmon, and berries. Avoid excess sugar and processed food. Try deep breathing for 5 minutes daily, and most importantly, spend quality time with your loved one, without distractions. You'll be amazed at how your body and connection respond when you treat them with care. Important safety note. Of course, baking soda isn't for everyone. If you have high blood pressure, kidney issues, or are on a sodium-restricted diet, consult your doctor first. This is a tool, not a miracle cure. But used wisely, it can be life-changing. You've taken care of others your whole life. Now it's time to care for your health, your heart, and your relationship. This tiny change could be the first step toward a more vibrant, connected, and energized version of you. Try it for 2 weeks. Notice the changes. You might just fall in love again with your life, your body, and your partner. Because after 60, you're not slowing down, you're just getting started.